Forever is a group company of Surat Diamonds and Jewelry Limited, which is a 5,000 crore group. The Forever's turnover is 2,500 crores, and it has 146 outlets across the country. It has three brands under its banner: Forever Jewelry, Carbon, and Navras. Head office is in Ahmedabad, and we operate out of 36 cities in the country. The first store in Hyderabad, and second coming up very soon. We already have a presence in Hyderabad in form of Carbon and Navras. We understand the market. We have a design team stationed here to understand what the requirements are, and we are able to get to what exactly people want. Altogether 146, but and the Carbon would be 4 and Navras will be 2. I don't see that as a problem in gold rates. People are buying, as I said, like people are buying as an investment. Today, people know that the gold prices are going to go up. Rather than buying it 3 years down the line or 2 years down the line, people are buying today so that they can save on the rates. In fact, we have floated a scheme of savings where people can buy gold today.
Okay.
And just people can pay for today and book the gold rate and buy a year later. And so many people are coming forward to book that scheme. For the domestic market, we are present for last 10 years, but we were present in the wholesale and export area. For last 4.5 years, we were in the retail. Export is like 45% of our turnover. The turnover of the company at the moment is 2,500 crores. So approximately 1,100 crores is the export. See, we have a very strong presence in the Middle East market.
Okay.
And very soon we are coming up with a retail store also. We were the crown and jewelry sponsor for Femina Miss India, which took place in March this year. And we sponsored all the winners. They are today participating all the fashion events, like they are Miss World, Miss International, and Miss Asia Pacific. They are participating. In fact, the pageant is still on right now. Outlets right now we have Forever is one outlet, Carbon is 4, and Navras is 2. Other one is coming up in Jubilee Hills in next 3 months, and maybe Vizag and Vijayawada by next 6 months. Hyderabad is a very good market. That's the reason we came here. We think it's open to brands who offer value and designs. In fact, a lot of companies from outside have come to Hyderabad, and they have already had a very good market share. We hope that we get support of the people, and we are very optimistic about the Hyderabad market. See, right now with this one store, the investment is around 45 crores.
Okay.
And sooner or later, within Andhra, we'll have investment of around 250 to 300 crores.